This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to convert from British pounds to Bitcoin. So we're doing GBP to BTC. I like to use this converter calculator right here. You can see the URL at the top of the screen. It's quite a long URL, very long URL, so I'll put that as a link in the video description just below this video, so you can click on that and you'll end up on this site. You won't need to go searching or anything like that. So by default, they've got £1 right here and what it equals in Bitcoin. Let's say, maybe you're using this for investment purposes. You have a certain amount of British pounds and you want to see obviously how much that will get you in Bitcoin at the current market rates. And the market rates, I think they're linked to BitPanda or something right here. We use a mid-market rate for our converter. Obviously you can read more on this and find out exactly what they're using, but I found this one to be very accurate. Let's say you had 1,000, let's say it's £1,000. That currently equals 0.01 Bitcoin. We can also see the full breakdown here with these tables and the chart down here as well. Let's say you had a little bit more. Let's say you were putting in 15,000 British pounds. Is currently 0.23 Bitcoin, and we can see the breakdown there. You can actually do other currencies right here, and you can do other cryptocurrencies right there. So it's a super handy calculator. I advise you to bookmark it. Check it out whenever you need it. If you need it monthly, weekly, every day, whatever it is, you can bookmark it. It's always there for you, whether you're on a cell phone, whether you're on a mobile phone, tablet, desktop, whatever you're on. Hopefully you found this video on how to convert from British pounds to Bitcoins online useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.